Hello guys, I would like to talk about global warming and climate change. The main point that I want to focus is to make you understand what global warming is. The second point is the climate change that is creating. And the third part will be focusing on the change of the habitats and what is causing to our animals and wildlife. In the first picture, I want to show you what greenhouse effect is. This picture is really clear. Basically, global warming is happening when there is a high level of pollution, CO2 and gases into the atmosphere. Usually the radiation of the sun bounce back, but in this case they are actually getting caught into the atmosphere of the planet. According to the NASA, has been increasing drastically in the past decades due to our lifestyle, to the growth of the population, to the daily use of fuels and gases. So yes, definitely is increasing way faster in the past decades compared to before. That was more like natural. The second picture, these three pictures shows the climate change that global warming is causing. The increasing of the temperature every years help to create major weather disaster. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, just in 2015, in the United States, we had 10 major weather and climate disaster events. But this is not just happening in the United States. It's a thing that is affecting all the planet. So severe storm, floods, wildfire, desertification, heat waves, these are all consequence of the climate change and global warming. This situation is literally affecting everyone. The human is trying to adapt to these major climate change, but they are getting worse and worse every year. So now that we understand what is climate change, I would like to discuss with you the global warming, that global warming is increasing the air pollution. So the constant raising of the temperature help to increase the ground level ozone. That is the gas that is created when two pollutants react to it. The ground level ozone is a major problem for the human health, and according to the health department, in the past decades there has been an increase of pulmonary disease, cardiac disease, and skin disease. So it's definitely affecting our health, not just our climate. The third main point that I want to focus is the habitats, but how global warming is changing the habitats, and it's changing our creatures, our animals that are being affected by the extinction. So the change of the natural habitat are happening extremely fast. As we can see in the picture on the top right, we can see how coral reefs are dying. They're all bleaching. This is happening all over the planet, and this is happening because the ocean is getting warmer. Another part of the planet that is rapidly changing is the Arctic. The ice is slowly disappearing and the oceans are rising. Another habitat that is drastically getting affected is basically all the plants that are dying. The species are dying due to the global warming. They are not growing anymore because there is no water, and this is causing many habitats to collapse. The natural habitats change, and with them the animal. So many species are actually disappearing. We have an example of the polar bear that they are in an extinction phase. pretty much all the animals are dying of starvation, so they are trying to adapt to new habitats all the time. The problem is that the global warming is happening too fast, so the animals are not able to basically evolve to the new habitats in such a short period of time. So after showing you what global warming is, what is causing and the climate change, and what is causing to our habitats and animals, I would like you guys to think about this. We might find ourselves in really hazardous situation due to climate change and extreme weather condition. Mostly now that is becoming more common and worse every single year. Or we might wonder why our kids would not be able to see anymore certain animals or center beautiful habitats that we have in our planet. Now you will be able to know the causes is always global warming. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Have a good one.